Good morning. I have some wholemeal croissant pastry here. I'm going to make some cheese and sesame twists. So basically I have just moistened it with water spray. So literally just spray it a little bit to help the cheese stick. And I'm just going to sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on half of the pastry. And just spread it out there. I'm going to cut them into strips and I'm just going to roll them out in a twist. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. Just make sure that I have enough cheese on there. So I'm just keeping the edge, this little edge down here. Maybe if you can see it better. Yeah, that's a bit better. So I'm just keeping that area free because I want to be able to seal the pastry. So I just have some sesame seeds here now. So you don't need too many, just enough to give it a bit of a bite. And then I'm just going to fold and I'm just going to press that down with my hand just to anchor it. The final thing I'm going to do is just get the rolling pin. I'm just going to roll the pastry there. Just roll the cheese into the dough. So you can measure. You can use a ruler if you want, or you can use one of these pastry wheels. So I'm just going to mark these out so that I cut them evenly. There we go. And then I'm just going to chop them down. So these are really nice. They're a savory, again, really nice kind of snack food, finger food at a buffet party. The other thing you can do is you can bake them off and you can bag them, sell them by weight. They're also very nice. You do them like this. So I'm just going to move these up out of the way so that I can clear the table and just show you how to twist them. Again, this is wholemeal croissant pastry, and it's just a simple twist. So basically, you're going to halt one side of the pastry, so it's not going to move, and then you're just going to roll this. You can start it off, just turn it. You end up with this twist, and you can see it exposes the cheese and the sesame inside. So again, I'm just going to do the ends first because they're going to be the most awkward, but they might also be the most delicious because they're going to be nice and crunchy. So again, you stop, halt it so it doesn't move, and then just rotate. You can twist it to get it going, and then just rotate to get this nice shape, nice twist. Just they're really nice and easy. And when the cheese melts, combination of the cheese and the sesame, it's going to make it really nice. The other thing you can do is, I'm just going to batch them all together fairly close there on the table. You can see I'm getting them all close. I'm going to spray them again with water. Put them down here so you can see them better. I'm going to spray them all with water, and then I'm going to put more sesame seed on the outside. You can, of course, put more cheese if you wish, but I think that there's going to be enough there. So they're beautiful snack, and with the wholemeal croissant pastry, it should be even more delicious. Nice earthy flavors. this wholemeal pastry. I have various wholemeals in it. I have spelt, I have wheat, I have rye. So lots of flavours in there. You can see how simple these are to do. If you want to do really small finger food, you can cut those in half again. Just chop them down with a knife. So we're almost there. We've 2 left. So I'm just going to put them together. And again, I'm just going to get a water spray. I'm going to spray them. And then I'm just going to drizzle them again with sesame seeds. And it just helps the sesame seeds to stick to the outside. They don't fall off when the dough is being proofed. Just give them a little spray. I'm going to put those on trays and put them into the freezer. Or sorry, I'm going to put them into the prover. What am I saying? And we'll have a look at those later on today.